Hi guys, this is Yana, and today I went to the movies. I don't go there so often, so I decided to visit this place today. And I went to the new movie, 3 meters above the sky too. Very romantic movies, and in the end I even shed a few tears. Watched the first part of a long time, and I also was delighted. The film is about a great and true love that comes from a guy the first time. But today I should tell you about scissor lift training. If you got any questions or feedback, leave us a comment, or better yet, please visit our website at http://jldlifts.net. So, when using aerial lift equipment, it is essential to keep in mind that they should be used capably in order to protect the well-being of the workers and the equipment in the workplace. Studies have shown that the men and women are increasingly injured or killed due to unfortunate accidents in the workplace caused by these machines. Although each and every equipment comes with a manual, training from a certified professional or expert will help the operation to fully understand and grasp how they can operate this equipment effectively. The training focuses mainly on the safety regulations and guidelines so that the operators know what potential problem may arise if the equipment is not handled correctly. Trainees are also provided with details of how to take proper care of the equipment so that it lasts longer and helps save repair costs. Accidents take place without warning, and it is essential to ensure that accidents are avoided as much as possible. So thanks so much for watching my video. Please remember that we've got a lot more content on our website at http://jldlifts.net. And I hope to see your questions there and answer all of them. So have a good day, be yourself, enjoy your life. I love you all guys, bye!